What is an exception? An exception is a condition that arises in a code sequence at runtime due to abnormal conditions. When an exceptional condition arises, an object representing the exception is created and thrown in the method that caused the error. A Java exception is an object of class exception or one of their subclasses whenever exception occurs at runtime. Java exception handling is managed via 5 keywords: try, catch, throw, throws, and finally. We will discuss each one of them in an example. We use try for the block of code where there are chances for errors. Catch to catch the exception. We can have as many catches as we want. And in last, finally, which will always be executed. When an exception occurs in the try block, each catch is matched for the exception type. If it does not match any of the exceptions in catch blocks, then finally will be executed. Even if some catch will be executed, then also finally will always be executed. When an exception is generated in try block, it throws an exception, which is an object of class exception that is catched by catch statement. Let us consider an example. You can see I have declared two variables d and a. Value for d is equal to 0 and a is equal to 21 divided by d, that is 21 divided by 0. 21 by 0 is not possible, therefore it will throw an exception at runtime. Here at this statement, it will throw an object of exception class which will be catched by this statement, and it will generate a message division by 0. As we know, finally is always executed. It will also print it will always execute. We have used try, catch, and finally in this program. Now let me run this program. You can see it is printing division by 0, that is error, which is printed in catch statement. Then finally statement, which is always printed, it will always execute. And finally the last statement of a program after catch statement, it is also printed after catch statement. Arithmetic exception. There are arithmetic errors such as divide by 0, array index out of bounds exception, array store exception, class cast exception, illegal argument exception, illegal monitor state exception, illegal state exception, illegal thread state exception, index out of bounds exception, negative array size exception. All these are subclasses of a superclass exception.